Have you ever noticed something strange? Students spend years studying, but still have no idea what career they actually want. They choose streams based on marks, they choose degrees based on trends, and sometimes they realize too late it wasn't the right path. Now imagine this, what if your child could experience real careers before choosing one? What if they could step inside a university campus, work in real labs, explore robotics, AI, sustainability, business, design, and actually understand what excites them? That's exactly what the Career Immersion Program by iQuery Australia is designed to do. This is a hands-on university campus experience for students aged 13 to 18. They stay on campus, they attend real workshops, they build projects, they take psychometric career assessments, and they receive one-on-one counseling to create a structured career roadmap. But here's the interesting part. Most students don't struggle because they lack talent. They struggle because they lack clarity. And clarity changes everything. In this program, students don't just learn about careers. They test them, they experience them, they question them, they discover what truly fits. This program also includes accommodation, meals, mentorship, and long-term career support. Even guidance for global education pathways across 50+ countries. Because choosing a career isn't about following the crowd, it's about understanding yourself. Now here's what most people miss. Students who gain early exposure to real career environments make more confident academic decisions. And confident decisions reduce course changes, dropouts, and wasted years. That's the real surprise. If you want your child to choose their future with clarity instead of pressure, this might be the smartest step you take. Visit iQueryworld.com or scan this QR code to get the form link. And if you found this helpful, subscribe, because we regularly share insights about global education and career clarity.